60 Seconds Traffic Pro Review. How to make money online in 2022. When it comes to making money online, the concept of traffic cannot be underestimated. In other words, being able to drive traffic to your links is the lifeblood and backbone of any business online. As a newbie, getting organic traffic is not easy, it requires hard work and dedication. If you are interested in making money online via sending traffic to your links, please turn off all distractions and listen close. I am going to unveil an online income app that is different from everything else out there. It is called 60 Seconds Pro. It delivers thousands of free leads and buyers to any link and works in any niche. 60 Seconds Traffic Pro is fast, free and 100% newbie-friendly, and a good traffic source. It only requires a few simple steps. 1. Log into the app. 2. Schedule your free traffic to your preferred links. 3. Relax as the app sends you traffic like an obedient little robot. I have included the official website to get 60 Seconds Traffic Pro. Click on the first link in the description of this video to get instant access. 60 Seconds Pro is estimated to have the highest buyers traffic conversion rate. For anyone looking for a good buyers traffic source, 60 Seconds Traffic Pro is a perfect solution. Subscribe to this channel Smart Software TV and watch out for more content.